comedian, Twitter legend. What other credit?
African sensation.
African sensation.
Salon's jiu-jitsu trainer.
Boyma Freeman joining us in studio. So you're taking credit for that.
I'm taking credit for that. The kicks were mine.
All right, Boyma Freeman's sitting in studio with us.
Nothing. It's just like you can't be mad at every team for not drafting you. Even straight people know that only one team can pick you.
Yeah.
And people are all excited about the game that he's going to play in. It's almost like, what do you expect? Like his first sack, he does a glitter bomb. Hey, I'm here, y'all.
I hope he can prove himself.
I'll be right back.
It's extreme makeover for the cheapskates. If you go to a restaurant, you see the bathroom, you like it, take it. You know, $5 toilet gone.
It was worth $500.
I'm allowed to do
You
that.
can't even have a cocktail at lunch when you're working in any professional environment.
Sometimes the kids do stress you out, though. So, I mean, put about Mark Dayton did say that you could go and buy something if you needed it. So, I mean, she was just having a smoke break. You know your substitute teacher is smoking when the lunches are gone.
Right.
You know, hey, who took my apple out of my backpack?
Oh, come on.
Chip shop, Teddy L. Let me just lace this with water.